Hello, thanks for viewing this introduction to the Create Your Best Future program developed to help you transform your life. You are invited to visit Puerto Rico for an incredible 3-day retreat beginning in 2024. I am impressed with you for taking a chance and trying something different in your life. It is exciting to share my story because anyone can make their dreams come true. If you want more from your life, I want to show you how to reach every goal you set. I changed everything to create my best life and can show you how to do it too. The day I decided to live my authentic self was the first day of my true happiness. When I broke those imaginary chains, nothing could hold me back from making my dreams become real. I decided exactly how I wanted every day to be, and then I executed a plan to make it happen. My love of the Caribbean directed me to the obvious choice of living in Puerto Rico. Now that I live in San Juan, my life is everything I dreamed. My fantasy became my reality. I learned how to play the game of life, and I played to win it all. I am living my best life every day, and you can too. I have one important concept that can improve your life immediately. The idea is very simple and powerful, so listen up. You are in control of your future. That is it. You are the one in control of your future. I guarantee you can improve your life today if you will do this writing assignment. I also hope you will want to attend the full retreat experience as soon as possible. I invite you to join me for a life-changing 3-day retreat because everyone deserves to be happy. Remember, this video is to get you thinking about the dreams and desires you have put on hold. Everything you need is within you, you just need to know a recipe which I am going to share with you in the retreat. You have the ingredients, and I have the process for a transformation. We can begin your transformation now with an overview and framework. I believe there are 6 areas of life, and if you can identify how those should be, exactly how you want them to be, then you can make the changes to have your best dream life. It is that simple, 6 areas of life to describe and then make the work plan for your happiness. When you write down your ideas, they begin the transformation process. The simple list will multiply and grow into the ultimate life you imagine today. Always be honest with yourself, for the analysis of a problem often leads to a solution. As you begin, you have to dig into those emotions about why. So as we begin, consider your big picture, or reason behind your vision. What do you ultimately want to accomplish? Why are you wanting more out of life? What will be the benefit of what you seek? Why is a better life important to you? Ask yourself this question several times to dig into your hidden dreams. How will you transform like this caterpillar does? Many people face challenges that can feel overwhelming. Your reason why is the ultimate motivation for people to do difficult things. Your reason why will be the power, the energy, the booster you will need when you hit some rough spots ahead. When a person establishes a vision for where they want to go, the body goes that way. This press does the same thing to the metal, forging it into something new. You can trust the process for results. The following 6 areas are the foundation in the Create Your Best Future program. Your transformation can begin today. Please visit our website for the guidebook and retreat reservations. As we work through this, be sure to understand each area and how each part works. You should be looking deep into your soul. When all the parts get properly aligned, you can have an incredible lifestyle. This is the official teacher and the 6 areas for the best life. Beginning with the area of gratitude, this is your spiritual, religious time or meditation for nurturing the soul. Consider your personal beliefs and values as your energy source. The second area is your body. This includes your physical, medical health, nutrition, fitness, and sleep patterns. The third area is learning or knowledge. People need to have a growth mindset for their passions to keep the brain active and strong. Consider how to connect this area with your income for incredible rewards. The fourth area of relationships is next, like a circle around you. This includes your most personal, family members, the intimate, romantic relationships, and friendships. And then expanding to your community relationships. Humans have a genuine need to belong. This is your neighborhood of influence. It is critical to mend broken relationships and recognize the best ones to strengthen this area. The last 2 areas are about money. The area of your overall financial worth. The assets you own 100%, the bank accounts and investment portfolio, the cash in your hand. This is your overall financial stability, or your base, which establishes your true, long-term power for your best life. And then, how you make money is the final area. This includes your income and expenses, also the cash flow or timing of the money in and out. Does your money make money for you? And how fast do you make and spend your money? Is this an area that needs to improve? The assignment is to think about each area and what you love about your life. Think about the good things in your life and what exactly needs to be changed to make it perfect. Discover your authentic best self and make your dreams come true. We need to begin the process by showing gratitude for the things we have and success getting here today. Consider how much you have in your life and how hard you have worked to get to this point. Give yourself a hug for everything you have accomplished so far. Please do not compare yourself to anyone else. We all have different challenges in life. You should only compare yourself to last year and identify where you want to be next year. We also have to stay focused on the future and how things are going in our favor. Next, close your eyes and dream. Imagine what your life could be. This is the challenging part because we all fear failure. But the truth is, those dreams, the ones you put on hold or never tried when you were young, those dreams are still there and waiting for you. So it does not matter if you are 15 years old, or 50 years old, or 75 years old. If you want to improve your life, only you know what that ultimate dream or fantasy is. When you write it down, you will begin to make it happen. The assignment is to start writing your ideas and dreams down on paper. By hand is best area by area. What is your ideal, best life? If you want to improve your life, write every single idea down and visit our website for the next step in the journey to your best future. I am also asking you to put your emotions on hold while you do this thinking. We will work past any of those challenges later. Exhale and align with your inner spirit of how you desire life to be. Trust the process. This is the time for soul searching and dreaming. You deserve to have the life you imagine, and Joy West can help you achieve it. The challenge of looking inside yourself is up to you, and only you can do it. When I did it, I knew I had to change a few things, or I would never be truly happy. I want you to be comfortable with the concept of writing your ideas into your reality. The magic is in the pencil. Also, I invite you to rewatch any part of the video as you think about your best life. Today, just recognize your daily situation for what it is, and we will plan to move forward with chasing your dreams next time. You can put your worries aside and follow the guide along the winding roads ahead. You are the person in control of your life. Take that control and your life will be better within minutes. The Create Your Best Future program and weekend retreat experience can push you across any goal line. You are the only person who knows the situation in these 6 areas of life. Only you knows the vision of your best self. Only you can make it happen for yourself. Take the time to capture your dreams in writing, as it is the best way to manifest the destiny of your future. Press pause on any negative thoughts or fears. Now is the time to gather your dreams and heart's desires to create your best future. It is up to you, and I know you can do it. Thanks again for watching. I hope to hear from you, and see you at a retreat. Please tell me how I can help you reach your dreams, because I am living mine. All the best to you. Take care.